morning. It's the 29th of May. We're in the office on a Friday. This is Chaitra, my colleague, and we're heading out to have breakfast. Chaitra, what are we having today?
Akki roti.
Yeah, me too. She's gotten me hooked to this Akki roti from Cafe Divya, so we're just heading there. See you later. So Akki roti was not available, so we've gotten vada sambar and pongal. Or jaggery appam. So let's do a taste test.
Like this?
Yeah, I think I've never had it.
It's really good.
We came back, did some work, both of us did our own things, and now suddenly we're off to Sahakar Nagar because we have a new studio center there, and we've been asked to come and check the Bluetooth. We arrived at our location and are just heading into the studio. I will update you from there. Check the Bluetooth in our new studio and it's pretty well. It's very decently working, so I think Chaitra is happy. And we are moving out. We had a 2-minute job here. My tempered glass broke when I was getting into the cab. Chaitra, you can come. And I got that fixed. And now we're headed to have some food. Because
Happiness Dhaba.
Chaitra is in the mood for some North Indian food. So we're gonna go have that. We have returned from Sahakar Nagar. And we couldn't record our food review in the car because of noisy circumstances. So Chaitra, would you like to give a review again?
Yeah, I was so excited to eat Rajma Chawal. No, Rajma. Anything with Rajma.
Yeah.
So I got Rajma Chawal and it was not as expected.
No.
I'm
But it's
disappointed.
Yeah. But the chole bhature were very nice and the pani puri.
Good. I liked Pani.
Yeah, it was fine.
Yeah.
But if you want good North Indian food, go to Amritsari, truly North Indian in Koramangala. We're making quesadillas. My friend Janvi is visiting for an examination, but she's staying over tonight at my place. So for dinner, we thought we're going to do quesadillas. Nandini and I thought that. And usually whenever I've made quesadillas, it's a very long process. And I've always done that after work, I think. And it just takes so long. But I'm trying to avoid that today. One, because I'm starting very early, and two, because Nandini is also here, so in between doing her work call, she can just come in, cut some vegetables, and it's mainly the vegetables part of it that's a bit heavy, but yeah, I'm excited. Let's see how it goes. See you later. So I thought that while I'm cutting some mushrooms, I'll do a funny story. It's not actually a funny story, it's just a story about why I like to make quesadillas at home and how I came to making quesadillas at home some days. Not every time I want one, but just some of the days that I feel like it. So last year when I was in London attending a short course at the Guildhall School of Music and Drama, I was staying with my sister, my cousin sister, and one of the days that I returned from the course, I asked her, I think it was the Monday that the first day of the course that I came back home, I asked her if we could just go to Primrose Hill, and it was about 8 o'clock. We were just sitting and I was like, oh, maybe can we just go somewhere? And then she'd always spoken about Primrose Hill for those 5 days that I was there with her, other than the next week. And I was very curious and I really wanted to have like a picnic situation, and I asked her if we could go just that, and she was like, Dimna, no, we could plan but we're not going right now. And then we thought we're going to make quesadillas the next day and head there, and that's what we did. So I came on the Tuesday I came back home. We made quesadillas for quite some time, had such a lovely time making it as well, and she showed me her recipe and it was such a sweet time with her. So we packed all of those, we packed them in containers, and then we took them to Primrose Hill, found our place to sit, and then we ate them, and yeah, best quesadillas of my life. with Nandini.
Hello.
We've come to watch a movie called Obsession.
which is a horror thriller film. We woke up, she just did some household chores for herself. I went to my ballet class today, came back, got dressed, and now we're here.
We had a good lunch.
Yes, we did. We made quesadillas yesterday, so we just used the same filling to make sandwiches, and I think that was really nice. And now we're looking for a beverage for her before we head into our movie, and we will see how the movie goes. So stay tuned. Oh, we just got done with the movie, and we are both speechless. It's just a crazy movie. It's unreal, but it seems very real. What do you have to say about it?
Honestly, I don't know how I'll sleep with it tonight. I have no idea. It was bad. It was scary. I'm not saying it was bad.
Yeah, she had jumps. She got jump scared even when there were no jump scares.
Yeah, I'm
But
bad at horror movies.
I definitely have to add that there's like the production of this film is just crazy with the sound effects, with like these little details, and yeah,
Can watch once.
we're just both a bit shook. It's not a typical horror film with
It's very different. The story
Yeah.
is extremely nothing like we've ever seen before.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if it's like a metaphor for real life. Food for thought. Okay, now we're headed into another mall. Bye. Now we're at Fresh Pick, just buying some groceries. Have you bought?
Sunscreen, guys. Wear your sunscreen.
Yes, please do. We came to Moru to have some food in Indranagar, and this is the creamy red sauce pasta. It's the only pasta that could be made vegan, so we're having that. And then we've also ordered the Lal Mati Tikki, which is made out of beetroot, and we're just waiting for that. So we've gotten a vanilla matcha as well, because Nandini does not plan on sleeping tonight. We have also gotten a creamy curry pasta, and I want the taste test on film because it's a very interesting thing. So let's go. It's not vegan though, so I can't have it. How's it?
It's like cow sweat, but Indian. And it's nice. You want to try a little? No. It's nice. It's very nice.
Order of the day is Lal Mati Tikki. Oh, it's some Lal Mas Tikki, maybe, I don't know. But it's a beetroot tikki and looks very exciting. It also has a mango, I feel. So let's go. Oh, pineapple. Let's go. I've gotten Nandini to the office now. At what time do you know? 10 o'clock in the night.
PM.
10 p.m. Yes. So because we have a very tiny show with one of the schools that we work for, we realized that there's something we need quickly, and instead of making a detour tomorrow, I thought I'll just come here, and I dragged her along quite literally. So yeah, let's just hope I get the things I need.
The lift was on, the gate was open, so everything is going well right now.
Yes. And good evening. Wow, works very well. So today is the 1st of June. It's also a Monday, and I had a slightly hectic day at work. I left around 6:30. I had to go to one of the international schools that we're teaching at, help with everybody, with the dancers getting dressed up, and they had a very cute little show. And then I came back, and then I wanted to rest a bit, I wanted to sleep a bit, but I have been working since I came back as well. But now we're headed to dinner with Janvi to Go Native. If at this point while editing I have introduced Janvi, then great. If not, I will introduce her now after this. But Nandini, would you like to tell us how was your work day?
My work day was nice, and all I did was plan a party for tomorrow. So
Wow.
yes, that was work day today.
And she's currently acting as a lighting person, so good job on that.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Yes, bye bye. So we have reached Go Native, and apparently for the first time in my life my iPhone storage is full, so I don't know how much more I can vlog. Unfortunately, or maybe fortunately for you guys, we shall see. But Nandini looks very cute, so I will insert a clip of her. We have ordered our drinks while we're waiting for Janvi. So I've gotten a cold coffee with oat milk. I've ordered a tender coconut berry passion fruit something.
No, berry something. Berry crush or something.
Okay, so we're going to do a taste test.
Yes,
Cheers. Nice. It's nice. I love this cold coffee.
Is it good?
Ooh, yay.
This cup. Look at this.
Yeah, it's so sunset today.
Oh,
I
I
think
like
just
this
a
also.
recency bias. Recency bias.
Yeah.
Hello, so we've just had a decent-ish dinner and now we're going to Pibble's Bakery. We're taking Janvi there, so I hope she enjoys it. My phone is about to fall. Today I'm here at, this is the Prestige Forum Mall, but I'm here at PCPA to watch a performance. Before I head into the auditorium, I've just gotten myself the salted maple matcha from Ofufu. I still haven't tried it. But yeah, just until I find I have some time, I'm just gonna roam around, see some places, and then head to the auditorium. Sunday of the week, I attended my ballet class today, and in the evening now I've come to Sabha to watch a performance that's over. I couldn't film earlier because it was raining and there was a lot of noise, but yeah, that's it for my day.